So have you ever heard about there's a Virgin train station in Iran? Usually I never heard that Virgin Mary. I'm not a Catholic, I am a Jewish. Some of others were Catholics. But the Catholic news had posted on Facebook, there is a Virgin Mary in train station in Iran. There is a Virgin Mary train station. In Japan, they have a Kata train station. Oh, in the Philippines, they have EDSA. Oh, the train station there is MRT. Oh, and there's Mandaluyong. If you see in EDSA, in Ortigas, Virgin Mary. The Virgin Mary was right there is Mama Mary. So Virgin Mary is a mother of Jesus. So that's a train station in Iran. Oh, I am just gonna say to those Filipinos anyway. To all Filipinos, aside of Virgin Mary in train station in Iran, there is a Virgin Mary in EDSA People Power. That's what I said before. To all my fellow Filipinos, we should oust Bongbong Marcos. And we see that Virgin Mary, who was right there in EDSA Shrine, that a symbolize of EDSA People Power. So that is the EDSA People Power. We can kick out the Satan Bongbong Marcos out of Malacanang as we demonstrate to those all of protesters right there. I urge everyone, especially Kuya Bear. Kuya Bear will join EDSA People Power, and even Jens Manaid, even his family members, even Kuya Allen Manaid, they would join of EDSA People Power Revolution. Especially to everyone, we can join, especially Teacher Jessa Fernandez, Teacher Ruti Barrientos, including Sir Calvin Cuevas. We can join EDSA People Power, especially those candidates of Miss Earth 2025. Let's join EDSA People Power by October 29. And we can oust Bongbong Marcos out of the Philippines. We will say Marcos resign. Oust Marcos. That's what we have to do. And we were gonna say, in Tagalog, we have to say, Marcos magnanakaw. And what we ever to say, Marcos is a robbery. Marcos magnanakaw. And just remember, guys, when we are participating in the protest, we make sure we will say Marcos resign. That's why I said Marcos resign. I know I'm being scammed by Bongbong Marcos. I know I am a victim of martial law of Bongbong Marcos. Like compared to Kuya Bear is a victim of Ferdinand Marcos Sr. Oh, during the time of martial law when he was a kid, during the time of EDSA People Power when he was a teenager. And we can oust Bongbong Marcos. Whatever we want, we can oust Bongbong Marcos. And I say to those Filipinos, to my fellow Filipinos, Muslims, Christians, Jewish, and Shia and Sunni Muslims and Iglesia ni Cristo and the rest of the others, we have to oust Bongbong Marcos out of Malacanang. and we can put Sara Duterte as a president of the Philippines. Just like Cory Aquino, just like Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. So, we can ever we want, we just say, if Marcos resign, all the military and the police will gonna withdraw their support. Just like I said, we will oust Bongbong Marcos. Just like what I heard before, dapat itong patalsik si Bongbong Marcos para lumayas na siya sa Pilipinas. You can, whenever you do, you can oust Bongbong Marcos immediately. And we can oust him. I know I am an anti-Marcos. Oh. And so what? Sangkay Janjan, Kuya Kopio, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, and even Teacher Evelyn Caja, Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan, Teacher May Tiburcio, and even other BBM bloggers, even Nino Barsaga, including Tata Eminilao, Romeo TV. Just remember, all of you, if Bongbong Marcos was ousted, Sara Duterte will put in the president of the Philippines. If there is a snap election, that will be happen in the Philippines about EDSA People Power. And we will have EDSA People Power. If there's a people power, we will have EDSA. Oh, I never been in EDSA anyway. You know, EDSA People Power. You remember about the Virgin Mary who was stand there in EDSA? That is showing the fate of the Christians, Muslims, Shia and Sunnis, Jewish, Protestants, and Iglesia ni Cristo, and many more. They want those Filipinos as a peacefully to make the EDSA People Power to oust Bongbong Marcos out of Malacanang. So that's what will be happen in October 29. That will be happen. I say to everyone, October 29, we have to be prepared for EDSA People Power 3. Remember, I urge those candidates of Miss Earth 2025 participate in the protest against Bongbong Marcos and his corruption. I urge Kuya Bear and Ate Cheryl to participate the protest against Bongbong Marcos and his corruption, especially to Jens Manaid and his family members, even Kuya Allen Manaid, to participate the protest against Bongbong Marcos. And not even just that, I urge also to Teacher Jessa Fernandez and Teacher Ruth Ibrientos to participate the protest against Bongbong Marcos and kick him out of Malacanang, and this corruption and this flood control and anomalies. We will make a democracy from corruption, from bribery, from Bongbong Marcos, and even Martin Romualdez. We will make Philippines democracy from corruption.